Cybersecurity Awareness video, we will give you a few tips on how you can help us stay secure. Tip number 1, follow a clean desk policy. Following a clean desk policy will help us reduce the risk of information theft, fraud, or a security breach caused by sensitive information being left in plain view. When leaving your desk, be sure to lock your computer and put away sensitive documents. Tip number 2, be aware when creating or disposing of paper documents. Sometimes an attacker might look through your trash, hoping to discover useful information that may allow access to your network. Sensitive documents must never be disposed in the waste paper basket. Also, don't forget, if you print a document, you should always pick up the printouts. Tip number 3, consider carefully what information you put out there. Practically anything you have ever posted on the internet can be discovered by cyber criminals. What might seem like a harmless post could help an attacker prepare a targeted attack against you. Tip number 4, prevent unauthorized people accessing your company. An attacker may try to gain access to the building by pretending to be an employee, visitor, or service personnel. If you see a person you don't know without a badge, don't be shy to approach them. Ask for their contact person so that you may verify their identity. Tip number 5, just because they know you doesn't mean you know them. Voice phishing occurs when trained fraudsters trick unsuspecting people into giving out sensitive info over the phone. Tip number 6, phishing scams. Don't bite. Through phishing, potential hackers might try to acquire information, such as usernames, passwords, or get you to download malware. Be especially cautious of emails that come from unrecognized senders. Never confirm personal or financial information over the internet. If you get a suspicious mail, do not open it. Forward it immediately to your IT security department. Tip number 7, prevent damage from malware. When you don't know or trust the sender, do not open mail attachments. Same goes for macros in office documents. Never plug in USB devices from untrusted sources. If you follow these safeguards and report anything suspicious to your IT department right away, you do your part to protect us from cyber threats.